In my experience as a basement apartment owner, I've done 3 renovations, and each time you wonder, what kind of things should I put in? What quality? How expensive? In this video, I hope to help you answer those questions. Today I'm going to talk about a professional property manager. His name's Kevin, and he's made lots of videos on YouTube. His YouTube channel is called Meet Kevin, and he talks about what he puts into his properties to find good quality tenants, but to not spend too much. He has 3 videos that I wanted to talk about. The first is what I'm most excited about. As I've had my basement apartments, I've often wanted to have an interior designer just come in and tell me exactly what finishes and what kinds of things to put in, and that's kind of what he has in this video. What he does is he takes his interior designer, who also is a property manager, and they go to a home improvement store and they look around the store at all the things that you need to put into an apartment, or a basement apartment for that matter, and they talk about the good things to put in and where to save money and where to not. So what to spend money on, what to not, basically. And it really is an interesting and eye-opening tutorial, and I'll share the links to all these videos at the end. The second video is excellent as well. It's 10 do-it-yourself projects that you can put into an apartment and really make it work well. I think his examples show up really well, and you can see that as he puts these elements in, that it works really well. One caution: I've done a lot of do-it-yourself stuff, and it really does take lots and lots of skill. There's a steep learning curve, but I don't want to discourage anyone. If you do it and you look for quality, you can make a good success of it yourself. The third example is pretty good as well. He goes through an actual property and talks about how he puts in things that will work for renters and attract good renters, but that will save money and isn't an overkill that you're not going to get a return on your investment for. So these are 3 pretty good videos that if you're thinking about how you're going to fix up your rental, or you're starting from scratch, they might give you some idea on how you can save a little bit of money and still do a good enough job that you're going to attract good renters. So good luck with your basement apartment projects that you're working on. I wish you all the success in renting and finding good renters. This is Paul with Basement Apartments Examples and Philosophy.